When replacing a garbage disposal, it's usually a job best left to professionals. If you're replacing an existing one, a plumber can typically take care of it. If you're installing a new one, you're going to have to hire pros to do both the plumbing and the wiring.
The proper way is to turn the water on, let it run for 10-15 seconds, turn the disposal on, start to feed the unit bits at a time until it's all the food's gone, and let the water run for another 30 seconds to clear it all out and get it all down the drain.